Are you planning to notify the USCIS or National Visa Center regarding a change of address but don't know how? Hi, my name is Andre Mayer, immigration attorney and an immigrant myself. In today's episode, I will discuss how to notify the USCIS or National Visa Center regarding a change of address. Before I begin, please click the subscription button and hit the notification bell so you get updates on all our newest immigration content. Also, leave a comment below on your thoughts or ideas about today's topic and check out our other videos. Let's get started. When you are undergoing a visa or a green card application process, it's important you notify the USCIS or the National Visa Center regarding a change of address. This is because once an alien fails to notify any of the two agencies, and by alien, I just mean anybody who's not a U.S. citizen or a green card holder for that matter. So if anyone fails to notify any of these two agencies, they may fail to respond and get petitions dismissed or be put into removal proceedings. Which office should you notify regarding your change of address? National Visa Center, NVC, is an intermediary who is in charge of handling immigrant visa cases for U.S. consular offices. If you were petitioned for a green card by a U.S. family member and your application was processed and forwarded to a U.S. consulate, your documents will be received and handled by the NVC. Now, if you change your address, alerting the NVC about it before the visa interview, it can help you avoid problems in the future with your application. Let's talk about USCIS, or the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services. The USCIS handles the majority of immigration cases within the United States. This implies that if you are a green card holder or a non-U.S. citizen residing in the U.S., you must address your application to NVC. Now, what are the steps to notify the proper agency of a change of address? Steps in notifying the USCIS are the following. Step number 1, secure Form AR-11. That's for aliens change of address. If you are planning to move to another location, it's advisable you already secure Form AR-11 to avoid neglecting to notify the proper authorities. In this case, that's USCIS. Remember, as a green card holder or non-citizen, you must notify within 10 days of changing your address. Indicate your most recent address in the form. That's your older one. Keep in mind that this only applies to the addresses inside the United States, and that previous addresses outside the country should not be included. Also, the address you provide must be your actual home address, not a P.O. box and not your work address, and not your relative. It should be your actual address. To access the form, go to the USCIS website linked in the description below. Step number 2, submit your Form AR-11 either online or by mail. Once you've complied with any of the necessary documents and filled out the form, you need to send your form to USCIS. Luckily, there are 2 ways to do that. Online, when updating your address online, you'll be required to provide the following information: details on the applicant or petitioner, such as the receipt number if you have a pending case with USCIS, information about your citizenship, old and new addresses, and the place and date of your admission into the United States, if any. One advantage is that you can request an email confirmation of the address change. Keep this email in case your address change goes wrong. Mail. While submitting online is easy, it's important to know that not all visa applicants can use the USCIS online portal. Self-petitioners under the Violence Against Women Act, as well as severe crime and human trafficking victims, that's U visa and T visa, are among those unable to file online. If you're unable to file online, or you choose not to, you can find a list of addresses where you should mail your form on the USCIS website linked in the description below. For those who opt to mail it or need to mail it, they would need to send their form with the following specifications. Address it to U.S. Department of Homeland Security, Citizenship and Immigration Services. Attention, change of address. Address is 1344 Pleasant Drive, Virginia, 22801. Here's a tip. Always photocopy the forms and documents you send, including the courier receipt as your backup in case your mail gets lost on the way or misplaced. That way you can prove you mailed it and you can prove how you mailed it. Now, let's take a look at informing the NVC of a change of address. Notifying NVC regarding address change is straightforward. In order to inform them of your new address, go to their public inquiry form, which can be accessed through the travelstate.gov website. If your phone number or email address has recently changed, please include it there. And that's all for today's video. If you have notified the USCIS or NVC beyond the prescribed period, allow us to legally assist you and provide the right counsel for your case. Schedule a free consult with me right away so we can discuss your situation. If you found this video informative, then like and share it with your friends who are also applying or thinking about getting a green card. And if you have any ideas for future videos or would like me to talk about a particular immigration-related topic, go ahead and let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, stay healthy and be safe.